It's Jane o'clock na. Hello mga kachar, mga kachar. So, one of the things that we really love here in New Zealand compared to the United States is that we were able to apply for a visitor visa for our relatives and friends. So, as you all know, or to give you an idea, an example is that we were able to apply for a visit visa for my mother-in-law and my friends. What we did is we just provided passports, their passports, and proof of income or their bank statements. How much did we prepare? Honestly, it depends on the months they will stay. So, for example, for my mother-in-law, we've decided to have her for 6 months. So that is 20,000 pesos per month since we are going to provide her a home. And take note, we are still on an accredited employer worker visa when I've applied for her visit visa. And for my friends, they just provided their proof of employment and they submitted their bank statements where their pay go.